I go.
Hey, by now you guys have seen us online, Instagram, Facebook, or on our homepage at Dirt Complex on YouTube. Check out our brand new trail guard for the Super Duty. If you have a 17 through 22 Super Duty, this trail guard's for you. We also make it for the new 23 that's coming out shortly. So stick around and we'll get right to it. The stock air dam that's on these Fords can be pretty excessive. The one behind me rakes in a whopping almost 8 inches. So we decided to come out with a brand new solution. So what this trail guard is, it's full chromoly tubing, 3/16 plate, with industry-leading 1/4 inch plate frame mount. In under an hour, you can completely transform what's behind me from this to this. We also have a few options on this. One is going to be we offer the Baja Designs S2 Pros. These are pretty awesome lights. They actually light up the front of your bottom of your valance and give you the fog light projector that you need. That is an option. They come with a full 3/16 front skid plate. Now, if you notice here real quick, this is a pre-production model. We actually wanted to put the American flag because this is 100% made in the USA, and we're very proud of that. However, we came up with a different design that we're actually going to have an American flag in the front, and that's going to be an option if you want that. Otherwise, it'll be a plain skid plate. If you guys wondering what these accessory holes are right here, this is Morse code. This spells out USA. Like I said earlier, we're very proud of our products. They're all made here in-house in America, and we are very proud of that. Let me get a little more details and show you exactly what's involved. Davey? This material below me is chromoly piping. We decided to run our skid plates with 3/16 plate. We ran our fog light purchase with 3/16 plate. And we have our mounts that are 1/4 inch plate. This is the frame mount, and when it's all done, the trail guard will slide right on top. Now, a few of you guys have asked already, how easy is it to take on and off? So once these mounts are installed, this trail guard will literally come on and off your truck less than 5 minutes. And it's a single operation. This entire unit with the frame mounts weighs less than 45 pounds. For you guys wondering how quick and easy this is to install, it's probably going to be one of the easiest mods that you can do like this. We at Dirtcom not only use our products, we design our own products in-house with our own engineers, our own leadership, and we know how extremely difficult it can be to have something that doesn't fit or function the way it should be. So let's start off. You're going to want to remove the air dam behind me that's on it with a 8mm or 5/16, and if you want to speed it up, a screw gun's definitely recommended. Once you've removed the air dam, you're going to take your mounts, and these actually mount right directly outside the frame. These two holes are going to be used with existing hardware. They're 18mm. You're going to take them off, put this in, put them back through. We also offer this accessory hole. It's not needed, but for those guys that get kind of crazy, we offer that one. And for the bottom, we'll actually offer this tab on the bottom, 1/2 inch drive. So most of you guys are wondering if you have to remove your bumper in order to install this. The answer is no, you don't. At most, you may have to loosen it on some applications to angle it out to get in with if you don't have small enough hands. Or in our case, we have a lift. We're able to install this thing in less than 30 minutes. So stay around, let's check it out. This is the factory hardware that we're talking about using, and this is used with an 18mm nut. Basically, once this is snug on the outside of the frame rail, you push this bracket with the 2 bolts inside, fits inside, you tighten it from the outside.
It's a tight fit, so if you got skinny hands, you'll be okay. If you need to push the bumper up, it's only 2 bolts here, 2 bolts here, and then there's 2 on the back side, and this will tilt up to give you more room, but you still don't have to take the full bumper off. I can actually fit my hand in here and get this in. So we're gonna avoid taking the bumper off. You can see where I'm pushing it with my finger right there. It's not that far back, it's just right here in the front. So if your finger can fit in there, then you can avoid taking the whole bumper off.
With Dirtcom supplied frame rail nut and bolt, installing the back bolt makes it really easy. Just line up the holes. And bolt up. Yeah, so now you don't have to use a wrench to mount this. It's inside. And before you torque, make sure you snug them all evenly. The next one. So once you get the one side done, you can jump on the other side. It's the exact same thing, just repeat the process. This takes literally, for us, less than 5 minutes of rail. For our production line, we're gonna have carriage bolts that are gonna hang down. You won't have to adjust them like this with the Allens. You'll have a little bit more adjustment left to right and frontwards and backwards. Should line this up perfect. If you guys want to get rid of any oddball fixtures or clips, we masked this off, Scotch-brite it, and rattle can this as satin black. We did that on a few trucks. They look really good. You always want to make sure you tighten one side slightly, then the other side go back and forth to make sure you have the perfect alignment that you want. Lower down. So if you guys like what you saw, there's going to be a link down below here. You guys can order one here, dirtcomusa.com. And like we said, we love you guys, our customers. We have the best customers in the industry. We want to let you guys know that we, one, make everything in the US. Two, support our troops. We support the fire, PD, nurses. We want to say thank you guys. We give you guys a discount through GovX. And most importantly, that we want you guys to be happy with this product. As you can see, we take it seriously, and I hope you guys enjoy. All the trail guards come in a stealth black. Now, if you want a color matched to match your stock factory color, let us know. There's going to be a side link on the website to buy it, and we will paint it in-house. We use PPG products, and we actually color match those 90% on the money. So let's do a quick recap. With your purchase of this trail guard, you get the entire hardware kit, 1/4-inch frame mounts, and the entire unit already welded, powder coated, or color matched to your choice. Other additional options that we have are fog lights, a center 10-inch fog light, and an additional engine skid plate that's going to be coming soon. So if you guys like what you see, check out the link below. We'll see you on the trail.